Okay, so for today's assignment, Monday, 11/16/20, Central South American and Caribbean culture, you're going to log into Savas through Clever, complete the assignments for Central America and the Caribbean today, South America today, Andes and the Pampas today, and Brazil today. Then you're going to submit in Canvas all answers that to the startup, any questions you come across, and a 4-sentence summary about one of the cultures in the region that most interested you. So the region that we're learning about is Central South America and the Caribbean. All right, so what we're going to do whenever we are in our assignment in Canvas, going to go ahead and press Submit Assignment. So that way this text box will pull up. Okay, so whenever this text box pulls up, I'm just going to leave it there. I'm not going to press submit or anything right now because I'm not done yet. So then I'm going to go into Clever. I'm going to go to my Savas. Whenever you click Savas in Clever, this is what's going to come up. It's going to be your EasyBridge. In your EasyBridge, you're going to click Savas Realize over here on the right. It's going to take you to the main page in Savas. Click on Classes and go to your class. Okay, you have 4 activities to do, 4 assignments to do. Each of them have a startup, and a flip video, and then some of them have an interactive activity. So let's say you're going to start off with the Lesson 3 Caribbean South America today. So you have a startup, a flip video, and then an interactive activity. Go to the startup. Always start with the startup. It says, recall what you learned about natural resources and economic activities from previous lessons. Study the list of economic activities important to the region, then explain how these activities might affect both people and the environment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to either copy and paste this list, or I'm going to just retype it back here into my Canvas module or Canvas assignment. Now I'm going to complete the startup in this document right here. So I'm going to do whatever the startup says to do on this list. Okay. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go through the video and I'm going to complete the interactive activity. Next, once I've done everything for this one and marked it all as turned in, I'm going to go to the next one. It says Lesson 3 Central America and the Caribbean today. I'm going to go here, do the same thing. It has a startup. It just says give a list of examples of the Caribbean and Central American culture. So I'm going to come back over here, put in some culture traits. Give at least 3. Then I do my video and the interactive gallery. And once I've marked everything as complete, I'm going to come back over here, go into the Andes and the Pampas today, go to my startup. This gives me some questions, but copy, retype, whatever I need to do to get these over here. I'm going to type in my answers in this document using this graph. Then I'm going to do the video and the interactive activity. I'm going to come back once I'm done, marked everything complete, come back to my last one. This one only has a startup and a video. So then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I'm going to copy the questions, somehow get it over to my list. And once I'm done with that and done the video, I'm going to come back down and I'm going to give a 4-sentence summary over the culture that I found the most interesting to me. And then once I'm done, I will press my submit. This is your grade. I'm taking a grade on this document right here. Whatever you submit right here is what you're getting a grade on. So make sure you have everything that I am asking for.